till the darkness turns to light. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another plan with me. I am planning for the month of May. This month, or at the beginning of this month, I was just way too busy to be doing the bullet journal stuff. If you watched any of my previous Plan With Me videos, you know that I kind of combine bullet journaling with Happy Planner, and it's been working out really well for me. But the reason I do it this way is so that when I have months like this month, I can just throw some stickers in and my planner is still very functional. I start off by going through my stickers and picking out the larger boxes to put in the top. When I put them in the top, I'm putting them on days that I actually work. I like to do this so that I don't take up space on days that I don't work, since the days that I do work I'm not doing much anyways, so I don't really have to worry about taking up space in those slots. I hope that makes sense. After I fill in all of the days I work, then I go back through and just fill in decorative stickers throughout the month. Most of the stickers that I'm using in this video are from the Farmhouse sticker book by Happy Planner. This sticker book is so pretty and so cute. I love it so much. A lot of the Happy Planners and a lot of planners out there actually have like 3 block sections for each day. This one obviously doesn't, so I just like to section off the bottom in 2 separate parts. One is for my YouTube stuff, like days I want to upload and days I want to edit and things like that. And it just keeps it separated and clear. And then the top pink section that I also sectioned off is for my meal planning, so that I can put like my breakfast, lunch, and dinner if I have plans for meals that week. This just keeps things a little bit more clear for me when I open my pages. Using washi tape is definitely one of my favorite things to do to like jazz up a page a little bit, add a little bit of extra color and a little bit of texture. Here I'm just showing you this cute little quote. I just thought it was really cute and I didn't want to cover it up, so I'm actually just going to put the washi tape around this little quote to match the other side. These are just some of my favorite pens that I like to use in my planner. I love the color variety. I know you can pick these up at Target, you can get them on Amazon. I will link them down below. Not saying that these are the only pens that I use, because I have a pretty decent collection, but these are just definitely some of my favorite. They're like a nice finer felt tip pen. So now I'm going to actually write my planner. I'm just adding just a couple of the things that I know I'm going to be doing this week. I think I have a doctor's appointment, and then I have a few bills that I want to write down that I want to remember to pay on certain days, and then a couple of meal things that I have planned. For the most part, with the exception of the YouTube planning and the meal planning, I like to sit down first thing in the morning and write out what I want to do that day. I don't really typically write out things ahead of time unless it's things like doctor's appointments. I like to just kind of figure out what I'm doing that morning, what I want to get accomplished, and then go from there.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful. And I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to our favorite song.
Next, I am just taking a little card from, I believe it's like a memory making stack. You can definitely find them in like the planner section where they have keeping memories and stuff like that. They're really great because it's like a nice card stock and it's made nice and small, and I'm going to use it as just like an extra little like bookmark and a place to write a couple extra things down. And then I'm just going to punch some holes in it to fit into this planner.
Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. 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 Jump into the car on a Friday night. I want.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future videos to come. I definitely love doing these planner videos. I also have a lot of other types of videos on my channel, so definitely check it out and stick around. Thanks, guys.